Hi, I'm Uli from Rehadapt. Today I'd like to talk about quality and regulatory affairs. The majority of Rehadapt products are following the regulatory rules for medical devices. In the United States, our mounts are listed with the FDA, and in Europe we are compliant with the recently updated Medical Device Regulation (MDR). Both sets of legislation have recently raised the bar for quality in medical products. Quality you can always expect when relying on Rehadapt equipment. To affirm this promise, we are currently undergoing an ISO certification called ISO 13485-2016. Basically, that ISO standard, FDA and MDR aim for the same targets. Our products are to be designed and produced under a structured quality management system with a strong focus on risk management, with full traceability and watertight documentation, with spotlight on functionality as defined in the intended use of the products, and finally a systematic post-market surveillance. That is what you'll get from us. In the eyes of a regulator, the perfect medical device is never to change once it has been designed, validated, documented, registered, etc. Maximum consistency, the product should always be exactly the same. Yet in practical life, the needs of our clients are very individual. They depend on many factors like individual abilities, different wheelchairs, various devices and so on. So there is a bit of a disparity between the regulatory expectation and the customer needs. The one party wants everything standardized. The other wants it highly individualized. How do we solve this? Well, with our highly modular system, we can combine both demands. We have arranged our portfolio in a way that all our complete solutions, like this Rehadapt Monty 3D QuickShift wheelchair mount, are fully legit medical devices with the registered UDI and all necessary documentation. As such, it is not supposed to be torn apart by replacing components against items from outside this product scope. We have composed the bundle so that is not likely to be necessary. The full solution already contains all the parts that are sometimes requested to be altered. For example, if you don't want this joint to be easily operated without a tool, rather have it always in the same position, you may just take it out and replace it with the according bolt. Note, the screw, already with the right washer and pre-greased, is part of the bundle, as well as the tool needed to tighten it for your convenience. Same goes for the lever in the universal device socket. You can replace it with a screw. Or same goes with the slip-out safeguards that you may or may not use to prevent the tubes from slipping out. Yet one important thing is missing. You will have noticed that the frame clamp that is needed to attach the mount to the user's wheelchair is not included with the solution kit. That is because it is very individual and we have many different clamps to cover all the different chairs out there. You need to specify and order the clamp separately and add it to the solution bundle. We have covered the scope of various frame clamps in another video. Click here to watch. Each frame clamp is a separately registered medical device with the intended use of fixating a Rehadapt mounting solution to a certain type of wheelchair. It is still possible to add further components out of the Rehadapt portfolio. For example, this place coupler to comfortably and quickly detach the mount from the wheelchair. The full range of Rehadapt components may be added to the solution without losing the validity of the medical device. Adding, not replacing, is fine. However, you may not add any component from outside the Rehadapt range. Otherwise, you step outside the legal demands. Don't get me wrong, this is not meant to down-talk any other products. It is just that the legislators, in the USA and EU at least, demand thou shall not mix components from different suppliers. In case your client needs an exotic solution not covered by our standard bundles, you can still work it out with Rehadapt's products and still be compliant. You may request a so-called virtual mounting solution, VMS. Simply describe your requirements and we'll send you an individualized suggestion coming as a commercial quote and a photorealistic image. Our team ensures this individual composition will be in line with the regulations. And as always, you can count on the Rehadapt quality as we hold your independence. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.